This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger, automatic push to start. This is also a V6 model. We're going to be doing a remote start on it today. These are the three parts we're going to be using on this V6 push to start 2013 Challenger. DC3 for the brain, CH4 for the T-harness, and the NU7101 one-button NUSTART remotes. Alright, to start off, we're going to need to take this piece off and this piece off here. So we're going to take our plastic pry tool, pry this piece off, it's going to unsnap off, and that way we can get to this piece. So this piece pops off right here. There's your clip and your clip. We're going to set that down in here, and then you're going to have some screws back here that you're going to need to remove to get this back piece off right here. Alright, you're going to have a screw right there. You need to take that out, and then this piece will come out. Okay, we've removed this piece. We also had to remove the plugs, this one here, and this one here, which is plugged in over there. So you need to remove those, and next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these 10 millimeters to take off this bottom piece. Now this piece is removed. Right underneath here is where the push button start module is, right here. Back behind up into there is the box that we're going to need to pull the harness out for the CH4T harness. There's the plug right there. We unplugged. It is a nightmare to get to because of this little tiny part right here. We had to shove a screwdriver all the way up there, a really long screwdriver. So it's a nightmare to get to because it's way up back behind here. So just want to let you guys know that. Alright, we are plugged in here. So there's our T-harness is plugged in right there. Kind of hard to see, but it's plugged in and plugged back into the back of this module. It is a nightmare. So then we're going to have this harness right here. We're going to plug into the DC3 and then run our wire for the parking light. Alright, we have the white brown wire coming off the back of this. We just pushed this out. So we got a white brown wire that we've tapped. That's for the parking light. And then coming off of our harness, we've got a white brown off of our CH harness. We're going to tap that into this actual T-tap right here for the parking light. Alright, we have everything plugged in, programmed. Everything's all T-harnessed up. We got our mux wire in here. We've programmed our remotes so they all work. And the 3x lock on the factory remote. So if you look at our programming instructions, we're going to go ahead and mount this underneath the dash and everything will go inside. Here's everything all installed. We have our module right over here. Zip tied into here and all of our harnesses, so everything looks OEM. 2013 Dodge Challenger V6 push to start, remote start by NUSTART. Using the one button remotes. (2013) Dodge Challenger remote start. This is a push to start car V6 by pressing lock 3 times with the factory key fob.